Hi everyone, it's Rachel here at Lasting Impressions Gifts in Manotick, and with the changing of the seasons, we like to change things up in the store. So I thought today I would just give you another little tour of some new products that we've brought in, our new fall displays. Got some great items in store. We have this lovely new saffron from Afghanistan. It's a great product. It would make a nice gift. It's very nicely packaged. We have also received our fall collection of Jack's handbags, which are always popular. We do have our brewmates in store, as well as our fall napkins have come in as well. These are beautiful, nice collection of our woodwick candles. Some nice fall scented woodwick candles as well. Our table all set in some nice fall colors and arrangements. Our woodwick is back in stock as well. We have a nice display here. Again, these make great, fantastic gifts. There's a fall wedding in the future. Our Rocher bee glasses. Again, some nice fall decor items. Gourmet foods, lots in store. Our aprons are back in stock as well. So everything that you're seeing here is available online at ligonline.ca or obviously in store, and we would love to see you. So please stop on by.